What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff. In today's video, we got to talk about SNEK. Now, as you guys know, past couple days, SNEK has been cooling off big time, especially since that video that I made showing you guys how to buy SNEK. You know, I've been getting a lot of questions. How do you sell SNEK? Some people are calling this a scam because they can't figure out how to sell it. So I'm just going to go over all this information. I'm going to tell you why it's practically impossible for SNEK to hit $1, even though, yes, I'm going to include $1 in the thumbnail. Because a lot of people that are new to crypto, they're going to see a price like this, 0.001. And I already know, because I was new to crypto once, what you're going to do is be like, oh, well, what if it gets to $1? I'm just going to quickly explain why that's practically impossible. I'm going to show you guys how to actually sell your SNEK on Min. And then, of course, before we get started and all that, we got to talk about what's happening with the global crypto market. And, of course, some big news about Blackrock revising their Bitcoin ETF proposal ahead of the approval from the SEC. So we have a lot to talk about. Make sure you guys stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on any of this important information. First thing we have to talk about, of course, is this Blackrock spot Bitcoin ETF proposal being revised. Essentially, what happened was that BlackRock's ETF, the spot ETF, the way they were going to do this is you would be able to redeem your shares in this ETF for Bitcoin. Now, to me, that makes the most sense. To people that are invested in gold and silver, that makes the most sense. That's how it used to be run in the stock market with gold and silver. Paper gold, paper silver. That's what they effectively call it nowadays. But for whatever reason, the SEC decided to change the rules on gold and silver so that if you hold paper gold and silver, you cannot take those pieces of paper to the vaults where they're holding your gold and silver and exchange it for the physical asset. To me, it makes no sense. And essentially, that is what BlackRock needed to revise on their application for the spot Bitcoin ETF. They cannot allow you to redeem your spot Bitcoin ETF shares for Bitcoin. What kind of sense does that make? Now, of course, Gary Gensler and the SEC is going to claim that this is to stop market manipulation and to help save / secure investors and protect them. It's always in the name of protection, guys. Remember that. It's always in the name of protection. However, what BlackRock did, and we can argue about it in the comments if you think it's a big deal or not, I happen to think not a good move. Of course, it's going to allow them to get their Bitcoin spot ETF approved. But essentially what they did is they've made it so that you can only redeem for cash, which in my mind is a scam. But whatever, at least you can redeem it for something. I think a true spot Bitcoin ETF needs to be in place that will allow you to exchange your paper Bitcoin for physical Bitcoin. Otherwise, it's not a spot Bitcoin ETF. That's just my particular opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. Of course, the whole crypto market cap down about 0.5% today. Not much. Bitcoin still up 3% on the week. Everything looking pretty good. We did have some nice rally yesterday. Things were looking like they were going to head to the downside. But of course, everything rebounded. Everything's looking nice. Cardano still up on the week, 3%. Down about 3% on the day, however. But still, things are looking good. Now, I'm sure if you guys have been holding on to some SNEK, you bought SNEK quite some time ago, you can see it's down about 10% on the day. Now, it keeps cycling up to this new all-time high around 0.0022 and then right back down. And that has pretty much been the trend this entire week. It keeps, boom, ripping up, 0.22, ripping back down, 0.1516, ripping back up, ripping back down, ripping back up, ripping back down. Some people that focus on technical analysis, TA, will say it looks like we're forming a head and shoulders to the downside. So a reverse head and shoulders. Now, if you guys know anything about technical analysis, you know a head and shoulders pattern, which would essentially be up, down, higher high, down, back to the old spot, would mean it's going to move to the downside. A reverse head and shoulders, you guys guessed it, that's exactly the pattern we have here. Up, down, back up, back down. This looks like it's wanting to rip to the upside. Of course, no financial advice on this channel. You guys need to make up your own minds, blah, 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 blah. I happened to sell my SNEK, my 2,500 ADA investment. I made 7,000 ADA. I sold literally right at the top a couple days ago, right about here, somewhere around here, 0.2, 0.21, something like that. I sold, I got out with the intention of buying back in. That's just me. Now, I think I am going to go ahead and pull the trigger. I can't right now because I'm on my laptop. I'm not on my main computer. But I think I'm just going to cluck all 7,000 ADA into SNEK. Might as well ride it to the high heavens or to the depths of hell. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I be content with my 150% gains, or should I just throw it back in and try and get greedy? Let me know what you guys think below. Now, last thing I want to talk about is, can SNEK actually reach $1, right? In SNEK we trust. Can it reach $1? Now, the fast answer is no. It's impossible for it to reach $1. And the reason why is not because of the price of the coin, but rather the market cap of the coin. Now, this is what, if you're new to crypto, you need to understand. When you're investing in a cryptocurrency, what you need to look at is the market cap. The market cap will determine the success of a project. And the reason why is, for every double of the price, right? If we want this to go to, let's say, 0.018, that would be a 10x in the price. What needs to happen is the market cap needs to 10x. So for SNEK, just to 10x, which would put it at 1 cent. Let's just round up and say it's 0.2, right? 0.002, let's round up, 0.002. For it to get to 2 cents, which would be a 10x, the market cap needs to 10x, which would put the market cap at 1.4 billion. For it to do another 10x and get to 20 cents, the market cap would again have to 10x, which would put the market cap at 14 billion. For SNEK to get to $1, the market cap has to be $141 billion, guys. Now let's just take a quick look at the main page of market cap, coinmarketcap.com. $140 billion. Where would that put SNEK on this list? It would literally be the third ranked cryptocurrency by market cap if it hits $140 billion. Let's just be realistic, guys. It's never going to do that. There are many projects out there that have better technology, actually have use case. I mean, guys, Cardano isn't even at $100 billion market cap, okay? Cardano, the cryptocurrency that holds SNEK on top of it. So what makes you think SNEK is actually going to go to $1? It's not. But of course, you're going to see titles on YouTube, like my own, that say, buy it before it gets to $1. Of course, guys, it's YouTube. You need to play the algorithm in your favor to get views. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. Don't hate the player, hate the game. So next time you see a title out there that says, SNEK is going to $1, remember what I told you. Don't look at the price, okay? Look at the market cap, because the market cap will dictate what's going to happen with the price. That's what you need to know. Every time the price doubles, the market cap needs to double, so on and so forth. That's why, to me, Bitcoin really is the supreme leader of the cryptocurrencies because of its market cap, $828 billion market cap. Insane. It looks like nothing is ever going to catch it. Ethereum, 260, it's about 1/3 of the market cap. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Will the flipping happen? Will we see Cardano take over SNEK? Will we see Cardano take over Ethereum in the next cycle? Nobody really knows. I hope it does. That's why I put most of my eggs in the Cardano basket and not in the SNEK basket. Because at the end of the day, guys, SNEK is a meme coin. Meme coins are volatile. They are risky. That is why you need to flip meme coins for a better project. That's just how I've always been. I've always personally flipped Cardano to hold more Bitcoin. But I don't know, as of late, I've been more of a Cardano maximalist. I love Cardano. I'm holding Cardano. And then last thing, real quick, how do you sell your SNEK? All you need to do is just come back to the website, guys. MinSwap. Just come on back, reconnect your wallet, come on over to trade. You're just going to come in here you're going to select SNEK to ADA, and then you just type in the amount that you want. Now, I actually don't have any SNEK in this wallet at this time because I'm not on my main computer, but you get the gist, okay? All you need to do is come in here, type the amount that you want to sell. Boom, it'll tell you how much it's worth. Boom, click sell. confirm on your wallet, the ADA will be sent to your wallet. Now, sometimes what can happen is you can come into orders, because it does take some time for it to process. Sometimes you will get a problem where it says queuing, or it'll say problem or something like that. Basically, the slippage is not set correctly. Basically, how that happens is you go to sell your SNEK and the price starts dipping. If that happens, all you need to do is just click on this and there's an option to cancel. You can cancel the transaction, come on back over here to trade, bingo bango, resubmit the transaction. It's that simple, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know what coins you want to see next. You guys have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.